too. He's hungry. Don't rest because that coot will come right up on him.
That's the way to do it.
Just turn him. Yep.
Yeah, rip him out of the water. Come here.
That's a runner.
Big runner.
All right, hold on, Nick. Go ahead and grab him. Now, you know what? Yeah, just, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, was he?
Yeah.
Come here, Fred.
You want to,
Put him on the big one?
I got a stinger rig on, no, he's too big. We'll get a smaller one. They're sharp right down by, yeah, I was going to say, they're sharp down by the tail.